Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Back in the Peak District, going for a wild camp. That in the background is Mamtor. It's really windy, so I don't know if you can hear me or not. Hopefully when we get to the other side of this ridge it might just might drop a bit. Stay along, see what the sunset's like, and see what the sunrise is like in the morning. It's meant to get down to about 0 to -1 tonight with the wind chill, but should be alright, and we'll see what happens. See if the tent holds up in the wind. Winnats Pass, stunning location, busy, a lot of cars about. Hopefully get some time lapses later when it gets dark, so hopefully there's a few cars about then, but the visibility at the minute is pretty good. So you've got Backtor there in the middle, Loose Hill, all the way up to Mamtor. The other side is the Kinder Plateau. Behind Mamtor. So I think I'll be alright, but I'm going to give it another half an hour and then get the tent out. I'm going to set up just across here and then we'll get some tea on. Still really windy, but no more rain so far. So we're in the tent now. It's blowing a gale outside. Well, it blows, then it stops. But I don't know how long we're going to last here. It's alright now, it's nice and calm, but literally gusts of like 30 miles an hour. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to get the sleeping bag set up now, my airbed. And then I'm going to get some food on because I'm a bit peckish. So we'll try that and see what happens with the wind. Catch you soon. So we've got everything squared away in there now. Got my Exped 7 down map, the OEX Fathom 300, and then I've got all the gear down there, jet boil and stuff, Terra. So I'm going to get in there and just try and cook in the vestibule now, where it being so windy. That's the wind blowing the camera over. So tonight we're going for chicken fajita with rice. Focus. Anyway, chicken fajita with rice and a cup of coffee in there. Rehydrated now, so I'm going to tuck into this. Looks really good, smells good. Full of kidney beans and everything. That's alright actually. Might need a little bit longer. Still crunchy. Just so you know, I've trod in sheep. And it's on my boots and it stinks in here. Just thought I'd share that with you really. So I've just been outside for 10 minutes in the wind doing a time lapse on the GoPro, which is what I'm filming on now, and it wasn't on time lapse, so I've got 8 minutes of wind noise and a couple of cars going really slow down when it's past. So I won't bother showing you that. But I'm in bed now, well, I'm laid on it, just going to chill out, probably put a film on, and see you in the morning. So it's about 10:30, the wind has been blowing and blowing and blowing, and it's actually snapped one of the little uprights at the end of the tent, so the tent actually drops and falls on my face, as you can see. But we don't have to do about it tonight, so let's have a look in the morning, see if I can repair it tomorrow when I'm home, or I can order a new pole from Terra. But we'll try and get some sleep now. Can't see that happening with the noise and the wind, but see you in the morning. Morning. So I've just stuck mid out of the tent, the wind's stopped. It's pretty nice out there now, nice and clear across the valley. But I don't know if you can hear, I think there's some guys literally just over the edge of here playing music. Literally 10 metres away. So they'll have a shock in a minute when they see me or when I go and say hello. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night. The wind just battered the tent all night. So it's calmed down a bit now. But yeah, last night I think I saw, I was awake till like 3 o'clock at least. 5 minutes. Pour it into there. Nice fresh coffee. Cheese. And then we're going to get back to it. My fingertips were freezing this morning for some reason. Really, really cold. So, anyway, breakfast. Right then folks, that's me done. That's where I was pitched just there. All my rubbish is gone, it's all stuffed in the front of there. So I'm just going to head back to my car now. But what a day, what a start to the day. Check out the views over the valley. So we'll see you back on the trail, head back to the van. Just beautiful, love it. I've no sleep, but it don't matter. The Peak District, say no more. Right, I'm nearly back at the car. Just looking down through the valley there. I'm going to end the video here. Battery's nearly flat on the GoPro. Microphone's broke on the DSLR. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.